Alright, I've got a Whirlpool heavy duty super capacity plus washer, finishing up the test run on it. It's got a load of jeans in there, pretty heavy load. It's on to the final spin cycle. So far everything has worked great. The agitation was real strong and the drain worked perfectly. And as it's getting up to speed here, we'll just make sure it sounds good and it's not off balance at all, or have any noises or anything like that. The last thing we'll check is to make sure that it has correctly spun the water out of the clothes before we move them over to the dryer. Sounds great. It's nice and smooth. It's moving nice and fast. Alright, that'll run for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'll come back and pull some clothes out and we'll give it a check here in just a sec. Okay, this has finished up. I was get ahead of myself and forget the camera, but they are nice and light. There's no extra water. I want to get down to some down here in the very bottom. Yep, no extra water in these guys, so it did an excellent job spinning these out. And they are good to go. So we'll get those moved over to the dryer. And appreciate you watching this test video on this washer. Okay, and onto the dryer here. We've got a GE dryer. It's loaded with options that you can see. Tons of options, and this thing runs like brand new. As you can hear, it sounds great, and it heats perfectly, and I'm going to show that to you here right now. You see the outside temperature is about 70 degrees, so we'll go on the inside. The light works, and as you can see there, it is nice and hot. That's where the heating element is, back behind there. So kick this start button on. Oops, kick this start button on here. It's excellent shape. So we'll get these listed up. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thank you.